Hello everyone, myself Apurva, and I have built a project that focuses on how artificial intelligence can contribute to mental well being. Mental health is a vital part of our overall well being, yet it's often overlooked. Many people struggle silently due to stigma or lack of emotional support. I wanted to build something that could act as a safe space for users to talk, even if just with a chatbot. Something that listens, understands their mood, and respond with empathy and care. That's what this chatbot does. It uses AI to detect emotion and reply accordingly, making conversation feel more human and comforting. The main objective of this project is to create an AI chatbot that detects mood based on what the user types to generate emotionally intelligent responses using NLP techniques, to recommend motivational quotes or songs that can uplift a user's mood. The most importantly, to create a judgment free space for people to express their emotions freely. In short, this chatbot doesn't just answer, it listens, understands, and supports. Let's look at how the system works internally. The user enters a message on the chat interface built using HTML and CSS. The message is sent to the Flask backend using a post request. Flask passes the message to the function getChatResponse in botlogic.py. The message is analyzed using the sentiment intensity analyzer from NLTK based on the detected mood, happy, sad, or neutral. The program selects a random empathetic response from the set of predefined templates. The chatbot then returns this AI generated response to the user interface. So it's a full pipeline from text input to emotion detection to response generation, all powered by AI. This chatbot uses artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques from the domain of natural language processing NLP. The AI model I used is Vendor Sentiment Intensity Analyzer from the NLTK library. This model analyzes the sentiment polarity of users' input and classifies it as positive, negative, or neutral based on the text emotional tone. For example, if a user types I feel really low today, the model will generate a negative sentiment score, classifying it as sad. If the text says, I am so happy today, it classifies as happy. I also implemented a small memory based learning system using a JSON file. This shows the chatbot to remember the user's last mode so it can respond with more context in future conversation. This is the tech stack that I have used to build this project. This chatbot is designed with several key features that make it more human like and emotionally intelligent. AI based mood detection, context aware replies, empathetic design, mood memory, crisis detection, user friendly interface. So let us look how this chatbot actually works. This is how the chatbot works. When I told the chatbot that I feel happy, it gave me this response that has some code, and also it suggests me some songs that would uplift my mood, and also it asks me about like to talk more. And when I told I feel sad, it validates the feeling, and also give a simple code that can make us feel better, and also recommend some songs that can uplift someone's mood. Some of some of the application of this chatbot is students, employees, and individual or any individual can use this emotional support chatbot to make them feel better. We can integrate therapies, apps, and university wellness programs in this. This chatbot can also uh, be useful for stress monitoring, daily mood tracking, and self reflection. Foundation for building AI driven emotional wellness platform. It has some limitations, like currently uh, it cannot detect more deep messages, or un, uh, it cannot take deep contextual understanding. It has limited long term memory, as it just stores last mood only. Responses are rule based, not generative. Requires further tuning for complex and sarcastic inputs. There are many existing possibility for future development, like integrate voice-based conversation using speech to text and text to speech. Use deep learning models like BERT or LSTM for advanced emotion classification. Create a mood history dashboard so users can track their emotion over time. Connect it to the real counselors or mental health helplines for emergency cases. Finally, finally, deploy it as a mobile app or a website chatbot for the wider reach. In conclusion, this project, AI for personalized mental health support, demonstrates how artificial intelligence can be used for positive human centered application. It's not meant to replace therapy, but to provide comfort, empathy, and motivation to people who might need to listening ear. We believe that I believe that emotionally intelligent AI system like this can contribute to better mental health awareness and emotional well-being. Thank you.